Let's create a Pareto chart in Excel. So first we have some complaint types as well as the frequency for these individual complaints. And we want to go ahead and make a Pareto chart. So go ahead, highlight your data, go to the Insert tab at the top, and then go over to Charts, and you'll see this one that says Insert Statistic Chart. Go ahead and click that, and it'll be the second option. Now we have our chart here, and we can scroll out a little bit and tidy it up just a tiny bit. So first thing we can do is go ahead and add a chart title. So go ahead and name it Complaints. And then another thing you can do is go ahead and add the plus and then add the axis titles as well. So this will be the complaint type. And then we will also have our percentages here. All right, and notice how if we start at 80% here, which is this line, we can go ahead and go over all the way, and we'll see that at 80%, it's approximately right here. So going down, we just have to worry about these three bars that make up 80% of our complaints. So if we focus on these three, we should be able to get rid of 80% of our complaints, and then the other five are just noise. So we'll have software freeze, battery drains fast, and then we also have the Wi-Fi won't connect, it looks like.